Good morning, Matt Schwartz here, Director of Sales at Lowell Manufacturing. We're a family-owned business, 77 years old, based in St. Louis, Missouri, where all the racks and accessories that you see here are all bent, painted, and manufactured at our plant in St. Louis, Missouri. So, as you can see, we make gangable racks of various sizes, different types of application, from a data rack to a gangable rack, and then to our LER series, which is a standalone rack with solid sides. So we've brought some of our best and highest movers here. This is a very popular rack, and then we have our best seller, which is the LWR rack series, which is a wall rack, which is a breakaway wall rack. And this is one of our best sellers, if not our best seller, in the line of racks. So again, thanks for stopping in and checking Lowell Manufacturing out here at InfoComm 2025.